Hey, this is Todd at Driftwood Builders Roofing. This morning I want to show you real quick what tongue and groove. This is like a 1970s built house, and you see this occasionally in the roofing business, that tongue and groove was used instead of plywood. And what happens if we don't cover the tongue and groove is we end up with a lot of gaps. Not only great big gaps like that or that one, but even these small ones really cause a problem for us, because when we shoot a nail through the shingle, and we can't see this anymore, we shoot a nail through that, all of a sudden that nail disappears, but we can't feel it, we can't see it, and then the next time it rains we got a problem. So I know it's expensive to cover everything up with plywood, but you can see that's exactly what we're doing here. So now we've put a sheet of plywood, the entire house, sheet of plywood over all of the tongue and groove, and now we're going to have a flat surface. That surface is nice and flat, it's going to accept a nail, and we're not going to have any leaks. So tongue and groove, it's an issue. If you don't hire the right company, you're going to have problems. Hire Driftwood Builders.